हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अननोन फैक्ट। सो स्टूडेंट्स, चलिए इस वीडियो में हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड कल्चर के वीक 4 को। ओके, तो आप स्कोर्स अगर देखोगे तो 87 वीक 1 का, 80 वीक 2 का और वीक 3 का 100 मार्क्स आए हुए हैं। सो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग जो सबसे अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर होता है वो मैं आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड करने की पूरी कोशिश करता हूँ। जहाँ तक मेरे से हो पाता है मैं पूरी हेल्प करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। फिर भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस गलत हो जाते हैं। ये वाला कोर्स ही थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट है, तो चलिए इसको सॉल्व करते हैं। मैं पूरा क्वेश्चंस को रीड नहीं करूँगा, ठीक है, सिर्फ ऑप्शन को रीड करूँगा, उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं आंसर्स बता दूँगा, ठीक है। तो आप देखो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, वाई डू हिंदी फिल्म एक्टर्स एंड डायरेक्टर्स ऑब्जेक्ट टू द टर्म बॉलीवुड डिस्पाइट इट्स एडेड टू ऑक्सफोर्ड एंड मीडियम वेबस्टर डिक्शनरीज। ओके, ऑप्शन ए है, इट वाज अ derogatory term coined by the western media to refer to commercial Hindi cinema. Option B है, it was a portmanteau term used by the English language film journalist in India. Option C is, it is used to refer to both commercial and anthos Indian cinema. Option D is, it shows that Indians want to make Hollywood films. So for this the answer will be option number A. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है हम लोगों का, why were Hindi films in the 1960s set in foreign locations? ऑप्शन ए है, to express the aspirations of a nation in the making. ऑप्शन बी है, to offer Indian viewers a cheap tour to exotic foreign locations. Option C है, to increase the volume of tourism to foreign countries. Option D है, to represent the protagonist as a globetrotter. Okay, so for question number 2 the answer will be option number A. Okay, question number 3 जो है, how did the NRI film create a market for Hindu film in the Indian diaspora? Okay, options are, by showing NRIs as evil and promiscuous. Option B is by portraying NRIs as the custodians of Indian values. Option C is by making the films technically slick and sophisticated. Option D is by setting them in foreign countries. So for question number 3 the answer will be option B. Okay, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है आपका, which wave of the travels of Hindi cinema to East Africa belongs to the first wave, the second wave, the third wave and the fourth wave? So the answer will be, for question number 4 the answer will be option A, that is the first wave. Question number 5 है, what was the main reason for Bollywood's crossing from the diasporic to the mainstream audience? Increases in the number of screenings in cinema halls, the explosion of new media and airing on mainstream British channels, twice migrants creating a better infrastructure for Bollywood films, better production quality of films. So for question number 5 the answer will be option B. Okay, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, हैज़ बॉलीवुड इन्वेडेड नॉर्थ अमेरिका गिवन द astounding revenue growth? Options are average while North Americans don't watch Bollywood films in cinema halls. The avid consumption of Bollywood films by Indian American viewers. Option C is the large number of screens dedicated to screening Bollywood films. Option D is California and New Jersey are Indian American dominated areas. So for question number 6 the answer will be option D. Okay, question number 7 is, in a self-righteous promotion, Bollywood was imagined as a kind of film marked by color, music, romance, access, glamour, and opulence. Option B is an assemblage of fabric, sounds, ornaments, gems, cuisine, films that is resonant with Bollywood culture. Option C is a low bro kitschy, jumbled up, loud, unrestrained style. Option D is a fantasy world where impossible things happen. So for question number 7, the answer will be option number A. Okay. Question number 8 is, why do Western celebrities opt for a Bollywood themed wedding? Option A is they love Bollywood films and want to act in them. Option B is they want to do something different than a traditional Christian wedding. Option C is the big fat Bollywood wedding has become a fad in the West. Option D is they want to appear like Indian princes and princesses. Prince and princesses. So for question number 8, the answer will be option number C. Okay. Question number 9 is, what does the restaurant named after Raj Kapoor's illustrate? Uzbekistan's abiding love for Raj Kapoor and his films, the worldwide trend of Bollywood-themed restaurants, the synonyms of India and Bollywood in the Uzbeki minds. Option D is the travels of Hindi cinema to Uzbekistan in the 1960s. So for question number 9, the answer will be option number A. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 पर शिफ्ट होते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है, व्हाट चेंज डिड डांडा एंड बाम्बरा bring to the Bollywood clubs in London? They brought stars like Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra and John Abraham. They brought Bollywood out of the underground. They brought a new audience to appreciate Bollywood. Option D is they made Western stars team with Bollywood musicians. So for question number 10, the answer will be option number B. Okay. Question number 11 is, why do Germans want to dance in Bollywood parties in Germany? They want to attend peace and spirituality. They want to learn different kinds of dances. They watch Bollywood films. They visited India, or because India is in. Option D is they are Indologists who love Indian culture. So for question number 11, the answer will be option number C. Question number 12 is, why did Japanese women develop an interest in dancing to Bollywood songs and dance? Option A is they were interested in Indian culture. Option B is they were interested in Bollywood films. Option C is they were attracted by the kitschy dance sequences and were inspired by visiting artists. Option D is they about Bollywood dance was easy to learn. So for question number 12, the answer will be option number C. 3 more questions are available, so let's solve it fast. Question number 13 is, काफ़ी नहीं, यहाँ पर है क्वेश्चन, वाई हैज़ द सॉफ्ट पावर ऑफ बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स नॉट बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड? ऑप्शन ए इज़ दे आर कंसिडर्ड कॉमर्शियल एंड लुक्ड down upon. Option B is they are not seen as representative of Indian culture like yoga and spirituality. Option C is they are represented only in a few film festivals. Option D is the power of the brand is not recognized. So for question number 13, the answer will be option number D. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है आपका। तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप न्यू हो चैनल पर तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, वीडियो को लाइक कर देना अगर इससे आपको कोई भी हेल्प हो रही है तो, और प्लीज़ अगर हो सके तो इस वीडियो को शेयर कर देना उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स तक जो इस कोर्स में इनरोल हुए हैं, ठीक है। क्योंकि इस कोर्स का आंसर्स आपको कोई और प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो मेरे से जहाँ तक हो पा रहा है मैं आप लोगों की पूरी मदद करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। तो आप लोग भी प्लीज़ शेयर कर देना उन स्टूडेंट्स तक जिनको इसकी नीड है। तो चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 पर शिफ्ट होते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज़, वेयर डज द सॉफ्ट पावर ऑफ इंडियन टेलीस्कोप्स एंड बॉलीवुड एक्सटेंड? ऑप्शन ए इज़ फ्रॉम द UK to US with large Indian diasporas. Option B is from all parts of the world with and without an Indian diaspora. Option C is from Jhumari Talaiya to Kanhaiya Kumari in India. Option D is from South to Southeast Asia. So for question number 14, the answer will be option number B. Last question is why are question number 15 is why are Bollywood films popular even in unfriendly nations? Option A is they have very good looking actors. Option B is their tradition versus modernity and family oriented themes are shared by Indian nations. Option C is they stir cheer of political issues. Option D is they provide a glimpse of Indian cities and villages. So for this question the appropriate answer would be option number B. Okay, let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video.